Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we are going to unbox the ASUS Chromebook CX1. This is the CX1100CN model. I got this from Amazon on a lightning deal for $85. $85 on sale with a lightning deal from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this Chromebook out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the ASUS Chromebook CX1100CN packaging. This comes in a cardboard box. Here it says ASUS in search of incredible, with all the ASUS and Chromebook logos printed on here. On the left side of the box we have an ASUS logo, nothing on the right side of the box. Here's the bottom side of the box, and let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. On the back side of the box here we have this printed battery information, but here is the particular model number, CX1100CN or CX1100CN. This comes in a transparent silver color. This has a 11.6 HD 1366 by 768 display. This does not have a video RAM. The CPU in this is Intel Celeron N3350. This does not have a hard disk drive, but it does have a 32 gigabyte SSD eMMC. This comes in 4 gigs of RAM. Here we have a Wi-Fi signal and a Bluetooth signal. This comes with one USB 3.2 A and 2 USB Type-C ports, and that's the rest of the information here. And yeah, so with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the ASUS Chromebook CX1. So I have my X-Acto knife ready to go. All we have to do is cut through this seal. Let's remove the cap and make an incision here. And yeah, so this is an entry-level ASUS Chromebook. Entry-level meaning this is the most basic Chromebook. And I really love the presentation here. In search of incredible. Really love how it is presented, even though it's in a cardboard packaging. Here's the ASUS Chromebook laptop. Let's go ahead and remove this thing from the packaging, and it's wrapped in this piece of fabric for protection. And at the bottom here we have the warranty card, and here is also your user guide for your ASUS Chromebook laptop. And this is the most colorful thing inside the box, which is the ASUS how to register your ASUS product. And let's check out this compartment. And inside this compartment, this will have a ASUS power adapter, USB Type-C power adapter to charge your ASUS Chromebook CX1100 or CX1 laptop. So let's go ahead and close this up. This has a great packaging and presentation by ASUS. Really love the unboxing here. And now let's go ahead and check out each accessory and component that came inside the box. So here it is. This is ASUS. Thank you for purchasing ASUS laptop, register your laptop to receive 1 year of ASUS EDP and other exclusive benefits. Here you can follow steps from 1 to 3. Register and receive 1 year of complimentary accidental damage protection. And here are the steps that teaches you on how to register your product. And yeah, so you can always register your product with the link or QR code. And let's move on to the ASUS user guide. Here's the ASUS user guide. Let's go ahead and take a brief look at this user guide. Here on this page, it talks about where are the features are located. On the next page, here are some safety notices for your Chromebook. More safety notices. Here on this page, it has more legal information, Energy Star, and yeah, so that's the user guide. And next is the warranty card, ASUS warranty information form. And here's all the warranty information. Make sure you make the best use and take advantage of ASUS warranty. And yeah, so here's the main star of the show, which is the ASUS Chromebook CX1 laptop. So here's the transparent silver color. Really love the finish with the Chromebook and ASUS branding. And let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the laptop. Here you can see the back side, which has your speaker grill. And let's go ahead and open this laptop. So you really need 2 hands to open this laptop. Here is the ASUS Chromebook CX1 laptop. Here's a closer look at, once you open your ASUS Chromebook laptop. This is powered by Intel Celeron inside. Here's your keyboard, your trackpad, and your 720p webcam, along with your 11.6 inch 1366 by 768 display. And let's go ahead and power this laptop, and we'll go through the OS together. So here is your ASUS 11.6 inch display laptop powered on. On the bottom left corner, here you have the launcher and the apps that comes with the ASUS Chromebook CX1 laptop. Here you have your web browser, files, mail, docs, YouTube, Play Store. And on the bottom right corner is your time, notification, and battery information. So that is the ASUS Chromebook CX1 laptop powered on. Let's close this up and explore the exterior of the laptop. On this side of the laptop, you have your USB Type-C. Here are the hinges on the back, and here you have a speaker grill on the front. And on this side of the laptop, here you get another USB Type-C port, a micro SD card port, an aux port, and you get only one USB Type-A port. So yeah, that's about it. That is the ASUS Chromebook CX1 laptop. If you liked this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this Chromebook. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will see you on the next one.